guys, welcome back to another CV Linens video. Today we're creating a super cost-effective do-it-yourself foil fringe backdrop. Let's get started. To make this DIY fringe backdrop, I'm starting by taping the tinsel curtain to the wall using the built-in adhesive. Then I'm adding a strip of tape over the fringe to create 4 rows. I'm going to do this with each of the different color fringe curtains. Next, I'm cutting the fringe curtain into 4 individual strips by cutting right above the tape. As I'm taking the strips off, I'm folding them in half and taping the strip onto itself. To prevent the bundles from sticking together, arrange the pieces in a spacious area. I folded them once more for a fuller look, then began taping them onto the wall. For added dimension and contrast, I'm mixing up the order of the colors and placement of the fringe bundles. Lastly, I'm going back and placing a long strip of tape over the top row for extra support. I'm using a banner and a balloon garland to complete this flawless backdrop design. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos.